Hey ho! I get to build again today. I just need to close up these holes. It was an entrance point for underneath the wooden floor. There's another 2 or 3 of these and a couple of air vents I've got to close up. So we're ready for next week to fill up over here with a building site. Yeah, let's go guys! Yes guys, not the best build that you'll ever see. Super unneat. Looks terrible, but when I'm done, you will even know, you will not. Guys, this is probably the worst build in YouTube history. It looks terrible, but it's going to be strong. It's going to keep the sanding and it will last forever. That's the main thing. So I'm happy. So let's carry on and let's make it look nice. Yeah. Right guys, quick Sunday update. Before I start building again, I need to fill up this hole, that hole. That's been done. That's been done over that side, and then there's another hole. I just gotta finish on that side. After the hole's fixed, we can put in some more sand, get that compacted. After it's compacted, as always, damn coarse steel cement floor. Let's go. Quick note to myself or anyone that's doing this or thinking of renovating their own home while staying in the house. This takes up all your time because you just want to finish, and it takes forever, especially if you're not doing this full time. It's now Sunday, 5:30, and I've still got at least another 2 hours to go, hopefully. There's no family time, there's just work, 7 days a week. So if you're willing to put in hours, and hopefully when you're done, you can have a nice house, do it. Or else, if you can't commit, do not do it, because this eats up all your time and energy. But I still want to do it, so let's go. Got a bit of an issue with the door over here, big opening. Just painted the wood with linseed oil. Gonna cover it up in the front now with a board. Pour in a liquid cement just to stabilize that piece of wood there and make everything nice and solid. Right guys, done for Sunday. I fixed up the door, filled up all those holes. That's all sorted, good to go. And then tomorrow we just clean up and prep for the sand to be shoveled in. It's going to be the first time using a compactor today. It's going to be exciting. Not sure it's going to work. But you're supposed to compact every, I think, 10 centimeters with each 10 centimeter layer of sand. So I gotta get a compactor, get the sand compacted, but first you gotta water the sand so everything's nice and wet. Yeah, just having fun with the hose pipe in our living room. That was fun. This is another prime example of unexpected delays working with old downs. The idea was just to take some of the old paint off, sand it down, and then give it a fresh paint coat. Now, oh no, the plaster decided to come off. Now I need to plaster the whole freaking wall, and oh well, that's part of the game. Just gone after 6 now. I'm only allowed to make a noise in South Africa until 6 o'clock. So I'm pushing the boundaries tonight. Let's see if the neighbor's going to complain. I need to pick up Stefan 6:30. Still got to make supper and still got to clean up. Let's get going, guys. The plan is to have this floor the same height as this floor at the tiles. We're going to tile over these tiles, so we're going to end up with a floor that's this high. So just get the levels right so we can see where and what we're going to work with. Rightio, now it's time for the worst job. Start compacting with the hand. I'm going to put on hyper mode so you can see how it happens quite fast. It's going to be a nightmare for me, but enjoy the show, guys. That's only halfway, but I'm almost there.